Hi, welcome back to Lesson 6 of our ukulele unit. Today we're going to be reviewing the chords that we've done before: C chord, F, A minor, G, and G7. And then we're going to be learning another chord today called E minor. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. We've gotten our instrument off the wall. We picked it up by the neck, look it over, make sure there's nothing wrong with it. We make sure that we have the correct number off the wall because that's the same as our seat number. And you have checked it to make sure the strings sound like My Dog Has Fleas that we've talked about in class. And if it sounds close to that, then you don't need me to make any adjustments for you. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. We're going to start with a C chord, so we're sitting up straight. The belly of the instrument is up against your belly. And let's do some echoing. Remember, we're strumming with that sweet spot right here where the neck meets the body. And here we go. So here's C, my turn. Ready, play. 1, 2, 3. Now F, my turn. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now your turn. 2, 3. Now my turn. A minor. 1, 2, 3. Now you. 1, 2, 3. Now G. 1, 2, 3, 4. You. 2, 3, 4. G again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, U. 2, 3. Now my turn. C. 1, 2, 3, 4. U. 2, 3. Now F. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now U. 2, 3. Now A minor. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now U. 2. My turn. G7. 1, 2. Remember, it's all yellow. 1, 2, 3. Let's try G7 again. My turn. 1, 2, 3, 4. U. 2, 3. Now C. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now U. 2, 3, 4. Okay, good. Now we're going to do a chord progression. We're going to go 4 on C, 4 on F, 4 on G7, and then 4 on C again. So again, it goes C, F, G7, C. Here we go. Let's do this all together. 1, 2, C, play. 1, 2, 3. Now F. 1, 2, 3. Now G7. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now C. 2. Let's try it again. Go. C. 1, 2, 3. Now F. 1, 2, 3, 4. G7. 1, 2, 3, 4. And C. 2, 3, 4. Good. So I'm noticing during class that some of us are playing our F chord with different fingers. Now there are no hard rules with playing ukulele. However, when you are going from an F chord to a G7, I'm trying to teach you the easiest way to go from one chord to the next. So I'm going to, again, suggest that you play your F chord with these two fingers, like you're making a peace sign, and then get them on the two green stickers. And then that way, when we transition from F to G7, it's a quick transition because you just have to move one finger over, and your index finger stays in exactly the same spot. And it also makes your A minor chord very easy to do that, okay? Now, some of you, when you're playing your G7 chord, you are switching these two fingers. If that works best for you, that's fine, okay? I just think it's easier to play, closer to the F chord, just so that when I go from a G7 to a C, it makes it a little bit easier for me to do that. Okay, so this time we're going to do another chord progression. We're going to go from C, F, A minor, then G, and then C. So again, it's C, F, A minor, G, and C. So here we go. 1, 2, C chord, play. 1, 2, 3. Now F. 1, 2, 3. A minor, go. 1, 2, 3. Now G. 1, 2, 3. Now C. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. Okay, so we, again, knowing those chords, C chord, F, A minor, G, and G7, we know a lot of chords that we can play, many different play-alongs in class. And our other chord, some of you have learned in class so far, but I'm going to review it here. This is the E minor chord, and it's on the blue stickers. And you're just going to use first, second, and third finger. And it should be fairly comfortable for you to play. So at least compared to the other chords we've done so far. So just like any other minor chord, it's going to sound a little bit sad or dreary. Now your turn, go. 1, 2, my turn, E minor. 1, 2, 3, your turn. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so it's really not a super difficult chord. If you need to, you can lean your head over like I am and kind of check out my fingers. But I would strongly advise against doing something like this where you're playing with your instrument flat, because it's hard to get your hand over here to play. So again, just make sure the belly of the instrument goes up against your belly. And let's do one last chord progression. And this is just on repeat, so I'm going to do it a little bit faster, and you're just going to echo this time. Okay, so my turn, C, 1, 2, 3. Now you, 1, 2, F chord, my turn, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now you, 2, my turn, A minor, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now you, 2, 3, G7, my turn, 2, 3, 4. Now you, 2, 3. Now C, 1, 2, 3. Now you, 1, 2, E minor, go. My turn. Now you, 1, 2, A minor, go. 1, 2, 3. Now you, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now C. Now you, 2, 3, G7, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now you, 2, 3. Now C, my turn. Now you, 2, E minor, go, my turn. Now you, 1, 2, 3, now A minor, my turn, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now you, 2, 3, now F, my turn, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now you, 2, 3, my turn, C, 1, 2, 3. Now you, 1, 2, G, and my turn, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now you, 2, last one, my turn, C, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now you, 2, 3, 4. Good. So today, the rest of the class, we are going to be doing some play-alongs using those chords. And now we know enough chords, we can play Somewhere Over the Rainbow, and we can also play Can't Help Falling in Love. And so we're going to be working on those this week as well. Nice job.